Hey guys, welcome back in Tech Learning, and in this video I am going to show you how you can basically show a print string, not a print string, it's basically an output log in Unreal Engine 5 with C++. The first thing, you need to create a C++ project, nothing else. Once you create, you need to go to content browser, then go to C++ class, then right mouse, then create a new C++ class. Then you can choose any of them. I'm choosing actor, then press next.
For Play My Game, you can check my Google Play Store account and you can follow me in my Facebook page. Also, you can visit our website for get more information, and if you have personal project or if you have some work, you can Gmail me at my Gmail address. Also, like, share and subscribe and support me. If you want my paid course, you can check in Udemy, link in the description.
Then as you can see, it's showing me some error because I already tested, that's why. So let me create a new one, that my actor1, and I'm said that the class type is public, so I can use that in any of label and it will be work in all of my engine. Then simply create class. Once I create class, it will be give you a, as you can see, it's also showing me a reload, so just press on reload. Once you reload, you find something like this. There's a two file they give, one is cpp, one is h. The header file, on this header file you can create variables and other stuff. So we are not going to create any variables, we have wants a simple log text, so that's why we are going to use in cpp. We are basically going to write our code in cpp. So we know that in Unreal Engine with blueprint code that the begin play is execute one time and even tick executed unlimited time or infinitive. So as you can see, this is a void function, so inside of that we can write our code. So for write the code, we need to write UE and make sure that is in a big letter or capital letter, then UE log, and the log should be like this. So what's going on, or you can write like this also. So you find the UE log. So by this we are calling that Unreal Engine log, and then we need to add this first bracket, and then we need to verify two things or set up two things. One is what kind of category it is, like in Unreal there's a lots of log category, so we are going to use the basically log temp, that is give you basically a temporary log. Okay, so log temp, then comma, because we set up our category, then we need to set up which type of log it is. So let's use a error, so you are also find warning also. So if you want, you can write the warning text or message a log also. Then we need to specify the text, so txt, then first bracket, then like this. Then at here you can write whatever you want, like let me write Sazzad C++ code. Okay, and then you need to write like this, and once you're done, save. Then come in Unreal Engine, and now let me clear this all the stuff and go to C11 public class, and here you find my actor. So simply drag and drop, and for see that in your environment you can add a sphere or cube, whatever, so you can understand that yep, this cube at here. Now make sure you need to compile. Now lots of have questioned, bro, why is the compiler button in Unreal Engine 5? You find that in the bottom side on right, so just simply click on compile, so it will be compiled. Once it's compiled, it will be show like this. So your all code has been compiled. Now let's clear, and now let's click on play. As you can see, it's showing me lots of error because this landscape have issues. So if I scroll down at last, here you find my log, that log temp equals error, that Sazzad C++ code. Okay, it's showing in red line because this is the error message, that's why. So that's how you can create your own C++ code and write your own C++ code in Unreal Engine 5. And thank you so much for watching this. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in next tutorial video.
For Play My Game, you can check my Google Play Store account and you can follow me in my Facebook page. Also, you can visit our website for get more information, and if you have personal project or if you have some work, you can Gmail me at my Gmail address. Also, like, share and subscribe and support me. If you want my paid course, you can check in Udemy, link in the description.